Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about the zip function. The zip function in Python is used to combine multiple iterables like lists or tuples. It essentially zips them together into pairs or tuples of corresponding elements from each iterable. How zip works? The zip function takes two or more iterables as arguments and returns an iterator of tuples, where the ith tuple contains the ith element from each of the input iterables. Now, let's suppose I have a list of names and a corresponding list of scores, and you want to combine them so that each name is paired with corresponding score. So let me bring this here. Now, to do that, we need to go here. I'm going to type zipped equals to zip, the zip function, names, scores. Names should be here. Now I'm gonna type here for name, for let's say I, in zipped, print I. Let's run this and we get the tuples Alice 85, Bob 90, Charlie 95. And you can also unzip a list. So I can go down here, I can type names, scores, equals to, now I'm gonna unzip this zipped list. So I'm gonna put parentheses and I'll put an asterisk, the zipped list. Okay, should put zip here, zip. Now I'm gonna type here for name in names, print name. Then I'm gonna type for scores, for score in scores, print score. Now if I run this, we get a problem. Okay, I get this problem because I need to convert this to a list. So I'm gonna type here list. Now if I run this, now everything is fine. Alright, this is our discussion about the zip function, and I will see you in the next video.